So now I'm going to show you real quick how to change the different settings on our particular Fusion Splicer. When you first turn this on, you'll hit the power button and it will come up with a QR code. If you do not have the app already on your phone for this particular brand, it is a Single Fire 2. You'll need to scan this QR code and it will bring you to Google Play or the Apple Store, where you'll download the free app. From there, you'll have to connect it, which you can do pretty much by hitting any one of these different fields on the phone. So in this case, we're going to switch to fiber type. Right now we have, it says multimode, MM. You're going to hit fiber type. So we want to go to single mode, SM. When it's not connected, it will tell you, enable your Bluetooth setting, and there will be a Bluetooth code at the bottom of the fiber. When you go onto your Bluetooth, it will then just kind of connect by itself. Once it's connected, you'll see your phone will say it, and then the screen on the splicer will then get to this particular screen here. But anyway, now that you've already done that, you've gone on to types of fiber, you're switching from multi-mode to single mode. You have to do what's called a discharge correction, which is basically you're matching the settings that it needs to make a correct fusion splice. From that, you're going to have to do a actual splice of fiber. So with that, what you would do is just grab a couple scrap pieces that you have laying around, and you would make a splice. Open the splice, strip your fiber back, lay your fiber in, shut it. This will match it up, and then once you're a go, it is then calibrated to the particular setting that you need. And that is how you change the settings from single mode to multi-mode or any other special type of fiber.